Good morning, children. In the last class, we have discussed about saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. In that, we have discussed about alkanes and their general formula and the important characteristics of alkanes we have discussed. And even I have assigned some homework to you people. That is how to write formula of all alkanes from methane to decane. These are the homeworks I have given you. Here, this 6 indicates number of carbon atoms present in that alkane. Here it is C6H2 6 plus 2. Here 6 indicates number, N indicates number of carbon atoms in that. So here hexa means 6. It means it having 6 carbon atoms in that. C6H2 into 6 plus 2, it gives C6H14. The same way, hepta means 7. That indicates 7 number of carbon atoms in that. C7H2 into 7 plus 2 gives rise to C7H16. The same way it goes on. The next upcoming alkanes. In today's class, we discuss about next part of the chapter, part 5. We'll discuss now. Part 5, that is alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by only double bond. Alkanes, 2 carbon atoms are connected by single bond. Here alkenes are connected. In alkanes, 2 carbon atoms are connected by double bond. Example, ethene, propene, butene, etc. Here ethene is the first member of alkenes, whereas in alkanes methane is the first member of alkane. The important characteristics of alkenes are they have double bond between carbon atoms. Their general formula is CnH2n. The prefix, the primary suffix of these hydrocarbons is ENE. Here it is ENE. This is the primary suffix of alkenes. Here is some important examples of alkenes. The value of N is 2 here. E indicates 2 number of carbon atoms in that. Its suffix is ENE. So here E is the prefix, EN is the suffix. E indicates number of carbon atoms is what? 2. C2H2, N value is 2. C2H2 into 2 gives 4. So C2H4. The same way, pro indicates number of carbon atoms is 3. Propene, C3H2 into 3, C3H6. The same way, butene is C4H2 into 4, C4H8. Pentene gives C5H2 into 5 gives rest C5H10. So remaining you have to fill up. This is the homework for you people. The next we will go for another hydrocarbon, that is alkynes. Alkynes. This is another saturated hydrocarbon in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Alkanes single bond, alkenes double bond, alkynes triple bond. Example, ethyne, propyne, butane, etc. The general characteristics of alkynes are they have triple bond between carbon atoms. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2. The primary suffix of these hydrocarbons is YNE. This is what the primary suffix of these hydrocarbons. Let's go for examples. Here is examples, and here also the first member of alkynes is ethyne. See here, you need to remember the methane, it is the only first member of alkynes, whereas alkenes and alkynes, ethene and ethane are the first members of alkenes and alkynes. Here the number of value of number n is 2. Eth indicates 2 and the suffix is yne. General formula CnH2n minus 2 it is. So C2H2 into 2 minus 2. C2H2 into 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. C2H2. The same way, propine C3H2 into 3. It becomes H6 minus 2. It becomes C3H4. Butane indicates 4. C4H2 into 4, 8 minus 2, it is 6. C4H6. Same way, pentane C5H2 into 5, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, C5H8. So this is about alkynes. So remaining you need to fill up. This is also one more homework for you people. So these are all the important saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. We'll go for next topic of the chapter. That is homologous series. This is very important in annual examination for 4 marks, and they can ask you to write what is homologous series, and there are some important questions from this topic. What is homologous series? A homologous series is a family of organic compounds with the same general formula, similar chemical properties, and successive members differing by CH2. The melting point and boiling points increase with increasing molecular mass. Hence, there is a gradation in physical properties. What it mean? Homologous is a family of organic compounds. Here is alkanes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are number of 10 I have given. All these is a kind of family of organic compounds having similar properties. See, these all are having what similar chemical properties, but only and the successive member is differing by CH2. See here, what C2H6. The difference between second member and first member is C2. 2 minus 1 is what? C1 carbon atom. There are how many hydrogen atoms are there here? 6 are there. Here 4 are there. What is the difference here? 2. So any 2 member you can take. Any 2 successive member, if you just observe, its difference is CH2. Means 1 carbon atom is increased. Next member and 2 hydrogen atoms are increased. If you go to alkanes or alkenes or alkynes or alcohols, any member you can take. The 2 successive member, the difference will be CH2, and this is what this is called what a homologous series. The melting point and boiling points increase with increasing molecular mass. See here, CH4 when goes to next member, it increases what? 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom. So here series. In the next class we will discuss next part of the chapter.